Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the other network's SSID and password because guessing wastes time. Enable Wi-Fi on your device and temporarily disable VPNs or cellular tethering. This prevents authentication conflicts. Move within close range, roughly 3 to 10 meters, to avoid intermittent failures. Once done, open your device's Wi-Fi settings, scan for networks, and pick the correct SSID. Doing these steps first reduces connection errors and speeds up the authentication process. You now authenticate and configure the connection so it works reliably. Select the SSID and type the password exactly. Passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check characters. If the network asks, choose public or private based on trust. This determines sharing and firewall settings. For advanced cases, set DHCP automatically or input a static IP, gateway, and DNS if required. This fixes routing issues. Also, accept any captive portal or security certificate prompts to complete network access. You finish by confirming that the connection actually provides internet. Load a web page or run a ping test. If pages fail to load, try renewing the DHCP lease or forget and rejoin the network. When problems persist, restart your device and, if possible, the router. This resolves most IP conflicts. If you still can't connect, check for MAC filtering or request access from the network admin, and always test with another device to isolate whether the issue is your hardware or the Wi-Fi itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.